I'm on Yakushima Island. The wind is blowing really strong. The elements of nature are surrounding me, and I'm in a safe area, so there's no worry. But the Met Office has issued that information regarding a really heavy downpour of rain. At the hotel, but I should take care of it. And the problem is probably the plane that I'll try to take might be delayed or cancelled. That is anyway. I really love to be in this situation where I'm surrounded by the wild element of nature because I feel so invigorated, and there's something wild in me that would be awakened by such situations. It's really wonderful to be in a safe area. I hope everyone would stay safe and sound. Look at these trees. I mean, I think these trees are accustomed to these situations, and so should we probably. So we usually live in civilization, be a bright lights, big city like Tokyo. But once in a while, when I come out to such a destination like Yakushima, where I am now, I am, reminded of the fact that I am a part of a really huge picture of life, and I am, really a humble part of it, and it's really quite interesting to see something in me awakening to the calls of